Hey lovely people, I am Maya and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a marketing video from a product link or URL. We will be using the Hagen tool to create a video from a URL. If you haven't watched our previous video on how to create deepfake AI videos using Hagen, you can find the link in the description below or check the I button. So, without further delay, let's get started. Step 1. Create a free trial account. To get started, go to the Hagen AI Video Generator website, check the link of the website in the description of this video, and click on the Try Hagen for Free button to open the AI Video Generator dashboard page. Register and validate your email to receive free trial credits. After your email is verified, you should receive free credits in your dashboard. Step 2. Generate a video from a URL. Once you have your free trial account set up, go to the home menu and click on the URL to video option. You will see a text box. Paste the URL of the Amazon product for which you want to create a marketing video and click on Generate button to generate your marketing video. Wait for a few seconds. Step 3. Edit the generated video. Now that the video has been generated, you can see preview drafts and the final generated video as well. Play the video and watch.
Hello, I'm happy to introduce to you our product, renewed ASUS Chromebox High Performance Mini PC, Intel Core i7 5th Gen. The ASUS Chromebox Desktop PC is a really useful computer that makes everyday tasks.
Or if you don't like the template, you can change it and watch the video again. After you have chosen the template, you can save it as a draft or click on the Go to Editor button to edit the video right away. You can edit the video the way you want or use it as it is. In this tutorial, I am editing the video a little bit. After editing, click on Submit button and this is the final video.
Hello, I'm happy to introduce to you our product, renewed ASUS Chromebox High Performance Mini PC, Intel Core i7 5th Gen. The ASUS Chromebox Desktop PC is a really useful computer that makes everyday tasks easier.
Step 4. Download the submitted video. Once you're happy with the final video, go to the video menu and hover over a particular video. Then, click on the download icon to download the video. If you notice, the downloaded video has the Hagen logo, which might not look professional. If you want to remove the watermark, you can do that easily by following the steps mentioned in the left video, or if you are looking to learn how to create deepfake AI videos using Hagen tool only, then follow the steps mentioned in the right video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you so much for watching.